How to contact Steam support. Hey everyone, in this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to reach Steam support and get help for your account or game issues step by step. If this helps you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more quick tutorials. First, open the Steam app on your device. Now look at the top menu and click on the Help option. From the drop-down, select Steam Support to open the official support page. Then choose a category related to your issue, like account problems, purchases, or games. I will choose Steam Client. Under Steam Client, you will see a multitude of options to further browse for the problems. Here, I will choose Steam Client Crashes. Once you choose the appropriate option to get help, simply click on Contact Steam Support. For public information, Steam support is very thorough on the problems that their users face, so I would urge people to not create unnecessary support tickets. So that's it. That's how you can contact Steam support and get help easily.